Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata that does not start, engine starter doesn't work and you're trying to find where the relay is. Stay with us, we'll explain actually how to test that relay as well. This should work on guys this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So now we have a special video that explains guys how to remove, how to replace engine starter. I can see that starter all the way right there guys. Also we will have a video how to rebuild the starter so you don't have to buy one, but in case you need to, you can find the link in the description of the video below as well. Now another thing, that's guys the fuse box right here, but we recommend, okay, when you replace those relays guys, always disconnect the car battery. Now it really matters which terminal you disconnect and reconnect first, positive or negative, because if you don't do it the right way, you can guys cause damage to the engine computer, you can cause damage to the electrical systems. How we know that? Something probably I shouldn't tell you, but we did that in the past and it cost us $2,000. So always guys check that. We'll have a video that explains how to properly disconnect car battery and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. This is the fuse box. Open it, press here, press there, pull straight up. Now right here guys, okay, what we need to do, we need to find that, okay, that relay for the starter now. So it's known as start one relay. So if you come right here, that second relay from left to right, that relay, grab it after you disconnect the car battery, okay, and pull it out. That thing is tight guys, super tight, but finally got it out. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Also guys, we'll have a video that will explain how to actually guys test the relay in just a few seconds. You can easily test relays and find out if they're good or bad, so you don't have to waste money on a new relay. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. And if that doesn't take care of the problem and why your car guys doesn't start, also we'll have a video about the top 5 things why a Hyundai Sonata doesn't start. We have a video that will explain everything from immobilizer starters to anything else that can cause that. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.